Great. So what we're showing you here today is an example of what would be used in a surround view camera system. We're showing one of our FPD Link 3 interfaces running. So here, let's just walk you through the system. This is a megapixel imager. So this is what would be mounted on the car to capture the data. And then we're sending the data through our serializer. Over this cable here, we have a 10-meter coax cable that we're using, and then going to our deserializer. And then over here, we're just showing the captured image. So, you know, if we come here, wave our hand, you can see that. You can see yourself in the camera on the screen here. And so as we talked about earlier, we talked about FPD Link 3, what's it doing? So we're streaming the video, as you can see here. We also have bidirectional communication, the I2C, being routed over this same single coax wire. So everything's being transferred at the same time. We have the video data and the back channel transmission concurrently.
Any kind of command can be sent. It can also be aiming the camera, changing focus, that sort of control can be sent over the same link. And it's this very thin, lightweight coax cable that is a new innovation where we've been able to do this, all this very high-speed signaling and data over this very EMI-friendly cable.
So we're sending video at 1.4 gigabit per second.
And the faster you go, the more that will contribute to higher resolution?
Yeah, exactly. So, right, the higher resolution requires a higher, what they call the pixel clock, the clock that's delivering the video data. And then all that information is serialized and transmitted. So all the bits of data you're sending are sent during 1 pixel clock time frame. So the faster the pixel clock, the faster this whole serial link is running.
So what are your design challenges here? You know, we talk about the automotive environment.
Right.
Okay? A lot of vibration, a lot of noise, heat, cold.
Right, so certainly the extended temperature range that's required for automotive products, so the minus 40 to 105 degrees C, so that's standard automotive AEC-Q 100. The ESD protection that's required for automotive, so that's all built in, so these devices support the ISO and the IEC requirements for automotive grade ESD. And then for this in particular, for camera applications, we also focus on getting a very small package. So we're working to keep the die size down, keep the pin count down, and keep the package size as small as possible. If you envision, these camera modules are going to be stuck in various locations around the car, places where there's not a lot of room. So we put a lot of emphasis on minimizing on the serializer side in particular.